Good morning. Welcome to our office. Please have a seat. Can I start by asking you to introduce yourself?
Good morning. Thank you. I'm Victoria, and I have a background in sales and customer service. I've worked as a sales assistant for the past 2 years.
Great to have you here, Victoria. What motivated you to apply for the sales assistant position with us?
I've always been passionate about helping customers find what they need and ensuring a positive shopping experience. Your company's commitment to excellent customer service aligns with my values, and I believe my skills can contribute to the team.
Wonderful. Can you share a specific example of a challenging situation you faced in a previous sales role and how you handled it?
Certainly. There was a time when a customer was dissatisfied with a product. I actively listened to their concerns, empathized with their situation, and worked with them to find a suitable solution. In the end, they left satisfied, and it taught me the importance of effective communication and resolving issues.
That's a valuable experience. In this role, you'll interact with a diverse range of customers. How do you approach providing excellent service to people with different needs and preferences?
I believe in adapting my communication style to meet the customer's preferences. Some may prefer a more detailed explanation, while others may appreciate a quick and efficient interaction. I also think it's crucial to remain patient and attentive, ensuring that each customer feels valued.
Good approach. Our team often collaborates on projects. Can you tell me about a time when you worked effectively as part of a team to achieve a common goal?
In my previous role, we had a product launch, and the sales team had to coordinate efforts to maximize sales. I collaborated with my colleagues to share insights, divide tasks, and ensure a smooth process. As a result, we exceeded our sales targets for the launch.
Impressive. Finally, what do you think are the most important qualities for a successful sales assistant, and how do you embody these qualities?
I believe being approachable, attentive, and having a good understanding of the products are essential. I always strive to be proactive in assisting customers, actively listen to their needs, and stay updated on product knowledge to provide accurate information.
Thank you, Victoria. We appreciate your insights. We'll be in touch soon regarding the next steps in the hiring process.
Thank you for the opportunity. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team.